My name's Ben Locke, and my business is Refaced. Refaced is a vinyl wrapping service. So when it comes to vinyl wrapping, we wrap kitchens, worktops, wardrobes, fitted wardrobes, drawers, furnishings with smooth surfaces. Launchpad have helped my business by offering me guidance and direction when I've been stuck and puzzled on where to go and who to speak to and who to relate to. So they've helped put me in the direction of networking events where I've met people and met like-minded people that have inspired me and I've inspired them and we've helped work together. There's a few people that we've worked with, yeah. Go for it. That's the number one thing I can say. Before I started my business, I felt there may be hurdles in the way and I was scared to take the jump, and once I took the leap, I'm so glad that I did it. So glad it's paid out, it's turned out for the best, it's paying off. Launchpad, they're a free service and it's someone to have your back, someone to fall back on. They can put you in touch with people that offer grants. There's just lots of different avenues in which you may not think you may need the help or may need guidance, which they've got, and they've got experts in a lot of different roles as well, and it's all free. Definitely, I'd definitely recommend Launchpad. Refaced is onwards and upwards. We're looking at expanding growth. There's lots of things within sustainability and in the world in general going forward, so we are at the centre of what's happening. We know where sustainability needs to be. We're stopping items from going to landfill, and yeah, there's lots of things in the pipeline coming shortly.